Hey, I'm on my way to a job this morning. There's really only about 5 or 6 different jobs that you see 99% of the time. I only have my small area. It's about a 25-mile radius. And anything outside of my area, I'm okay with, teaching other people how to do it. Because it's such a great business to get in. It's highly profitable. I'm sure you're well aware. If you've seen other videos, you can see time stamps of how long the jobs take. They all take about, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 if you take your time. And each job you're making between $300 and $500 or more. I obviously don't want to create a bunch of competition for myself in my small area, so it's a nationwide online video course to teach other people all across the country how to do this business. I was in the same situation back, let's say, in junior college when I'm sitting in there, studying. I don't even know why I'm there. Really, I just want to get out there and start making money, start my own business, buy a house, have a nice car, be able to afford things and not worry about money. In the garage door business, when you have your own, you can easily, on just 2 or 3 jobs a day, you could be making 1,000 or more each day, which comes out to 30,000 a month. The Garage Door Academy will step by step teach you how the garage door works, how to get the jobs, the ways I've figured out that works and the ways that don't work. So I wouldn't wait around. I wish I started sooner. You can get out there and start making money, start your own business, be a boss, be your own company. The sky's the limit. You could keep growing your company. I just bought a second truck and hired a guy that does half my jobs, and I keep the rest for myself, and he's doing the work for me now. And I can just keep expanding. Sign up for the Garage Door Academy. You won't regret it. It'll be the cheapest investment you've ever made to start your pathway to owning your own business. Here at the job now, we got 2 old springs. They haven't broken yet, but they're just really old. So I'm gonna put 2 new springs in, new opener as well. Should take about an hour and a half total for the opener and springs. Let's get it done. All done. Got the old opener out. New springs installed, new opener installed.